welcome back to our vlog. We have a really exciting trip. It is currently Korean Lunar New Year, and so I have 4 days off, so I thought we should go to one of the coolest places in South Korea, and it is an old traditional Korean village, and it used to be the capital of the last big empire in South Korea called the Shilla Empire. So there's going to be lots of history, lots of facts, lots of fun, beautiful things. So follow us along. The owner was kind enough and let me film a little bit inside of this traditional Korean housing complex. So let's look at one of the rooms. This is so interesting. I wonder why they have spoons. Does it open easy? Oh, there we go. This is super cute. Let's see, so you can see how big it is. So it looks like this bed is big enough to maybe sleep 2 people. There's a little TV. And there's some writing. I really wish I could understand it. It looks like there's a really old alphabet. Was this the alphabet before the modern Korean alphabet? I don't know. And I love this little table. It's like a little mini short table. It's super cute. And if you look at the ceiling, it's this wooden, 100% looks like polished wood ceiling, which is really pretty. And you don't see wood very often in a lot of places, so this is very unique. And if you look at this wall over here, it has some really cute drawings. Looks like maybe what traditional Korean families used to be. So in the photo, it looks like it's a woman who is either weaving something or maybe she's washing. Maybe it's like a water wheel. I'm not exactly sure. And then looks like a seesaw when you first look at the picture. But I'm thinking it might be another thing that you weave with. Looks like there's one woman who has like a instrument that might be like a brush that she's weaving with. I'm not exactly sure. I wish I could know a little bit more about Korean history to know.